Hey there, what going on YouTube? It's your boy Drip. Not saying. Okay then, back with another video. Today I'm gonna be drawing Donald Trump, one of the presidents. I'm gonna be drawing him with a hat on, a free Trump hat on, cause I heard the boy got jammed up. So unfortunately, but I'm finna get into the video. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and let me know what y'all want to see next down below. Yeah. Alright, so shit. I like to put, this gonna be a full tutorial though. I'm gonna be freehanding him. I forgot to say that. So we gonna be looking at reference pictures to put this together, this masterpiece. Alright, but I like to set my my canvas size to 10 by 10 inches and make sure inches is selected. And then you can even make this your own little preset, which I'm about to do right now. But I forgot to put my glove on. Hold up. I feel naked. Nigga feel naked. Dude. I'm free balling. Can't be drawing free balling. Let me put my glove on. That joint don't be feeling right. Comment below if y'all can't sleep without y'all art glove. After y'all wear that art glove and draw, like it be a different feel. Like it feels so good to draw with that glove, bruh. Like it feel like no rubber, but it feel like how no rubber feel, but like it's kind of a rubber type shit. But damn, I'm gonna have to edit that shit out. Yeah. Alright, but I like to set mine to 10 by 10 inches. And then I'm gonna name this preset to art. Shit. And then we hit create. Also, if y'all are working on if y'all don't have a bigger monitor yet, what you can do is, I'm gonna show you this too. This is a little trick I learned. And you can come here, go to settings. I think y'all see my shit. Go to settings, go to system display, and then right here you just change it. Make sure it's this one, or it don't really have to be that one exactly. Shit. But like, just make a new one. But you can't make a new one from there. So you need a graphics card. So you see how everything's small on my desktop. It usually don't be like that. So what I do is I go to the control panel, NVIDIA control panel. I'm gonna open this up, and it'll open up when it wanna open up. We're gonna edit that shit out. Cause who? But then you wanna come over here and then just create a new one. So it ain't let me create one. It's not allowing me to create. Alright. Yeah, it ain't let me make one. Nigga don't know what to do. I did it somehow. I'm gonna exit out of that. Let's do it. Okay, wherever it allow you to create, I forgot how I did that. Wherever it allow you to create a different resolution, you just do that and then pick it out in the display, and then you get here, like you get your screen looking like this. Like, so everything, it's a wider canvas to work with, like, cause it be hard to like navigate type shit. Like when everything jumbled up on each other, bro. Why did I do that? I can't go back either. take the pathfinder out, and then layers. Everybody loves cake has layers. What about parfaits? Everybody loves parfaits. That's a Shrek. Let me shut up. Alright, so for this is a full tutorial, so I'm gonna show y'all how to set all this up. So if you don't see any of these things, just hit Pathfinder right here, or you can hit layers. Like, just find everything that you see up here and here. And then as for my workspace, I have it set on Essential Classic. So Essential Classic just shows everything that I need right here. Well, most of the things, so I don't have to like hold down too much and try to find stuff. Alright, but I hit this, and what is that? None. Okay, that's say none. And I come over here and select the black. Alright, but then I come over here to make the pen. I hit this one. Wait, no. We hit new brush. Make sure if you need a digital art tablet to get these settings, I'm finna show you. So make sure you're able to select calligraphic brush type shit. Go to fits, go to pressure, and then set these to 3 like this right here. Alright, hit OK. And then your brush is right here. So what that does basically, it sets your brush to like, you see, as hard as I push down, as I push down harder, the stroke get bigger. And when I let up on the brush, it gets thinner. So that's all that do. You want that if you're drawing type shit. But I'm gonna get rid of that. And then come up here, we're gonna go to swatches. Find swatches. I wanna put this. I'm finna do this. Connect these. I like to connect them. And then so boom. You know what I'm saying? Boom. Alright, now you come over here to swatch libraries. Then you wait. I might have it already. Nah, this ain't the one. But come up here to library. Then you select other library. And then you make sure y'all go get the skin tone pack on Patreon. It's up there for $5, bro. Go get that guy. Go get that guy. Or if not, if you want to go get a good one, you can shop with the boy Chi World 1234. I'll leave his in the description below. I'll leave both of ours in the description below. I kind of got colors that he don't have, and he got the stuff that I don't have. So, alright, so they work together. I ain't want to just steal his stuff type shit. I could have easily just re-uploaded his, but I ain't like that type shit. People be asking me for his. I ain't even finna speak on it. Alright, matter of fact, I think I'm finna get rid of all of that, and we're gonna restart that. So boom, I got the swatches. So boom, wait. Alright, I could have just took that off the first time like that. Okay, I know next time. I know what to do next time, my boy. Alright, you connect these. Trying to connect. Alright, we connected that. Alright, so that's how you get this layout. is my workspace. This YouTube, this is the workspace. This is the cut. Alright, make sure that's selected. Sometimes you gotta double tap it. And sometimes you'll run into this issue where the stroke go back to 1. It just keep going back to 1 when you're trying to use something smaller or something bigger. What you do is you come over here and reselect this. Make sure you have it selected. Don't worry about that. Make sure you have this selected at all times, and then you can do it. Then it'll do it. I be running into that issue a lot, so that's why I know that. That's a little trick. Alright, but I'm low-key stalling, but let's get to it. Sketch. That is the sketch. Tell me it don't look like bruh. Alright, I'm over here. Make this all the way black. Come up here. Make the opacity. Pull the opacity back up. Okay. Alright, so with this, first thing I'm gonna do is start on the outline of the face, because I want the face to be bigger. The outline of the face, I want it to be bigger than the lines in the inside of the face. Now for that part, I'm gonna draw the earrings separately anyway. That line, I know I went past that. I'm gonna keep that line right there. So we just gonna keep drawing that like that. We're gonna draw the outline of the head only on this layer. Alright, so I know she do it a different way. We doing it a different way. So right here we just drawing the outline of the head. Alright, so then hold up. Then I'm back in here 0.5. Now we draw the inside. Really gonna see too much of that, like I said, because of the hat. That's the only thing. I wanted to draw his hair. It was looking weird. I'm gonna come back to that. Alright, right here we're gonna select the skin tone. Probably gonna end up making him kind of orangey. Matter of fact, hold up. Alright, we can still do this first. Right click, hit arrange, send to back. Make sure everything's selected. Come over here to Pathfinder and find merge. Merge it. Right click again, hold up. Right click again. Go to isolate, select the group. Grab the outside. Backspace, and then grab all the blacks and everything from there except for this one. Alright, now you just select, then right click, isolate, select the group, and now you free to change the colors. boy Donald Trump. And how do I reset this? Maybe if I hold shit. Okay, that I'm smart, bro. Alright, so y'all know what to do if y'all ever rotate y'all joint and don't know how to get it back. Like straight, just hold shift and drag it into place, back into place. Alright, yeah. Tutorial. Full tutorial how to draw Donald Trump in Adobe Illustrator. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. That's the end of the video. Comment what y'all want to see next. And I'm finna dip. Y'all.